Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Brinyte. Now this here is their PT16A. Now I was sent this flashlight. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Now it's got a little seal here. And being a bugger, so we're just going to peel it off. Everything is underneath it here. One very tiny lanyard. Probably put 4 fingers in there. One USB Type-C charging cable. 2 O-rings. Now these are extra. There's already ones on the light. Here's the user manual. Now let's take a look here. The chart's kind of small on this. Sorry about that. Got to get it up here close. And you see it puts out 3,000 lumens on turbo. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. Got a value card. They want you to contact them, scan that. And you got a brochure here of other lights of theirs. And now let's go ahead and take the light out of here. Now this molded plastic didn't do too well. There it is. Definitely has a everyday carry feel plus tactical. Got the best of both worlds all in one light. Got the tactical ring on there. Nice. Lanyard hole here, as well as here. The indentations here on the body are not rough, but they are a little bit grippy. I like to center the belt clip on here with the port cover. I'll go ahead and show that to you now. Charging port there, Type-C. Now my understanding, this is a complete kit. Now when you have this tactical ring on there, it's not going to roll very easily, nor very far. Now it looks like you can remove that clip if you don't want it on there. Power switch, mode switch. Style and design on this is nice. Does have a tactical bezel on there with the tactical beads on the end. That'll help break glass if you have to do so in an emergency. semi-gloss finish. Machining and finish on this is nice. Not seeing any issues. Side switch is pretty much flush. That is a battery level indicator there as well. Feels good in the hand, it's comfortable. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at that deep, smooth reflector. Now this is running the Luminus SFT70 LED. No dome on there. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take it apart. I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Tail spring there. Now you do have a battery protection piece here. You might want to keep it if you store your light. Definitely nice to have. And the battery that it comes with is a 21700 cell, 5000 milliamp. This is a protected cell, 20 amp cell, but the protection is probably going to be less. And there is a spring here on the head of the light, so you can use flat top cells or button top, your choice. Now let's go through the UI. UI, pretty straightforward. Pretty intense there. And that is really bright. And just click on the side switch to go through those light outputs. Same goes for the tail. Press down and hold. There's a delay, will get you strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash. And it is distracting. Click it again, we'll go back to the regular UI. Now the beam is not perfectly round on the edges because of the tactical bezel. Again, we do have a battery level here, and the battery is low. So I'll charge it up before I take it out there. I had not had a chance to charge this particular sample. Now let's see if we can turn it on with side switch. And you can. So if you use the tail switch, it's always going to come on the highest output. So just letting you know that. Press down and hold. Turns on the light. Battery's pretty low on this. It's blinking red, so I'm surprised it's going through those higher outputs. And that's all there is to this light. Alright, so I've got to say this is a nice, rugged, built flashlight. Now I've tested and reviewed many lights for them in the past, and they've all been nice quality. So I'm going to charge this battery before I take it outside, so let's wait no further. Let's take it outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Brinyte PT16A. Let's go ahead and start off on the highest output and we'll go down from there. There's the tree of life, 138 feet. So spill area is pretty tight. It's not real wide on it. But the beam on here is impressive. That's first palm tree, second one has a haircut. So it's got some range on this thing. I was quite surprised with it. Now I have a link below all my videos where you can see my testing area and the distances. I use Google Sky View. Look at that. See across the park to those playgrounds. There's the other playground there. And this combination beam is tight. Now it did cycle down, which is normal, so we're going to turn it off, turn it back on here. Perfectly normal for it to cycle down due to heat. So that was pretty good runtime on the highest output. And now let's go down to the lowest here. Kind of show you up close. It's still got some good range on it and light output for this level it is. Let's go up here one more. There's the next level. Still making 138 feet there, as you can see. Now I had to use a moly cell in this. The other battery was taking forever to charge. You can see across the park there, 65 feet here to this tree. Beam on the fence. Jump it back up. Kind of give the light a chance to cool off a little bit. It's pretty warm out here, so had a heat wave that's been really a pain. Triple digits for quite a few days, 22 days. Getting eaten up by mosquitoes. Still making that first palm tree, so that's good. Nice, very nice beam performance on this. 238 feet to that tree behind this tree. So it's got some range on it. Playground across the park there. Man, I love these beam types. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Now, the battery was taking quite a bit, even after about an hour and a half. It was still charging, so I went ahead and ran the night shots with the 21700 cell. It's a moly cell, so probably got the better performance out of it. This is a very powerful cell. Had great luck with them, and like I said, you can run any 21700 cell in this. No issues at all. It's really performed well. Green light all the way through, all light levels. So beam performance on this is nice. No issues. It does have some decent range on there, so that's nice as well. This LED is a very nice LED. The SFT70, again, one of my favorites alongside the SFT70. And the SFT series are no domes on them. They're amazing. This here, very rugged. I think it's going to be perfect for law enforcement as well as people that just want an everyday carry. Rugged little light. It's going to be the best of both worlds. So if you want to carry it casually, you can. Or if you are law enforcement, even security officer, you can do it. This thing is more than enough. Brightness, of course, is going to step down. 3000 lumens is only temporary, and it's not designed to run continuously, so it will cycle down after about a minute. So still 3000 lumens, that's still more than enough light to blind somebody temporarily. Then after that, you can use the lower light levels, and the beam intensity is pretty good on here as well. Tactical bezel on there, so if you do have to break a window, you've got it. Most of all, simple on the UI, not seeing any issues. The battery that it comes with is more than powerful enough. Also, the battery that it comes with is very nice. It's going to give you good run time, but also the fact that you can run any 21700 cell is a huge plus for this light, in my opinion. Well, I want to thank Brinyte for sending me this PT16A to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember it's a complete kit. Comes with everything you need here to get started outside that box. I will leave a link down in the description box below the video. I am working on a special discount code. If I do get that, that'll be there as well. That should help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring these lights from Brinyte to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.